What's going on? It's your man Sham, and this is Sham Goes Global. Now, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys 10 essential items that you need to bring if you're going to be traveling internationally. Now, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and watch all the way to the end because I'm going to have a bonus one for you that I honestly feel may be the most important one. So watch all the way to the end and let's get it.
Coming in at number 1, we have the neck wallet with RFID protection. I'd advise a neck wallet because it gives me a peace of mind knowing I don't have to worry about getting pickpocketed or something falling out of my pocket as I'm going about my day. It's very convenient and can be easily hidden underneath your clothes. At number 2, I have a wireless hotspot. This hotspot is great if you plan on doing some backpacking or traveling in areas that don't have the best Wi-Fi signal. Or if you're just kind of like me and you don't trust open networks. Get yourself a 4G or a 5G hotspot. You won't regret it, and it also is small enough to fit in your neck wallet. Number 3, we have an adapter for whatever region you will be traveling to, and make sure it has multiple inputs for maximum use. Coming in at number 4, we have the RFID secure wallet, good for protection when you have chip cards from hackers. It is easily fits inside the neck wallet as well. Coming in at number 5, we have one of my favorites, which is the TSA approved luggage lock. This lock secures your items during transit, and with a 3-digit code to unlock, it's also good for security. I have these on almost all of my luggages, and while traveling, this is a must-have. For number 6, we have the neck pillow. Even though you most likely won't be able to lay down during those extremely long flights, I still recommend bringing a neck pillow along just for sleeping purposes. Coming in at number 7, we have headphones for music. This is another major essential to pass time while on the flight. Number 8 is a second phone from the country you're traveling to with a SIM card from that country. Moving to number 9, we have something that is a complete lifesaver, and that is a portable charger with multifunctional capability. I prefer the chargers that have the iPhone, USB-C, and solar charge options all built into one. This is a must-have. And number 10 is a laptop, mainly for business, and you can also use your portable hotspot for connection. And this bonus item is arguably the most important thing to add to your travel essentials list, and that is Apple AirTags. You can easily keep track of your luggage by using the Find My iPhone feature, and it even gives you directions when you're close to your lost luggage. I highly recommend these.
And there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. And also, I got a lot of content coming on this channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's your man Sham, and I'm out.